How's it going, everyone? Caden here at Speed Industry, and today we're going to be installing and reviewing this Apexi N1 Evo Extreme Catback. Today we're going to be testing the non-resonated and resonated option for this exhaust. This is optioned out with the titanium tips. I personally prefer the resonator. I think it gives it a much better sound and keeps the in-cabin noise a little bit quieter. So without further ado, let's get the car up in the air and get this exhaust on. So it's pretty straightforward. It should take about 30 minutes. Of course, you don't need the lift. You can easily do this in your garage or your backyard. And these two bolts are a 14 millimeter. And to take off the valve, it's 3 12 millimeter bolts.
Yeah. Pictures up.
This is way easier with two people.
Yeah, 100%.
Yeah. So in conclusion, I would put the resonated mid-pipe as my top favorite. The stock exhaust is nice, but the Apexi N1 just gives it that extra oomph in sound. If you want for a more raw exhaust tone that's a little bit louder, go for the non-resonated, but the resonated is for me. With that being said, thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys want this exhaust, I'll leave a link in the description below to our website, and I'll see you guys in the next one.